Hey folks, get ready. I'm about to show you the awesome pivot feature in Flexa Tables, and trust me, you're gonna love it. With Power BI Matrix Tables, you're dealing with a static structure once it's published. Users can't easily pivot or add columns dynamically, which is a major limitation. You're stuck creating multiple tabs and visuals to satisfy different user needs, and managing all those static views becomes a real headache. Plus, troubleshooting or customizing those tables is a lot more complicated than it should be. Now enter Flexa Table. Unlike the rigid structure of Power BI Matrix Tables, Flexa Table turns your reports into dynamic, interactive tools. It gives users the flexibility to pivot, drag and drop, and dynamically add columns, just like in Excel. Developers save time by no longer needing to create separate tabs or views, and users have the freedom to manipulate the data on their own, making it a much smoother and more efficient experience. What you're seeing right now is in the published environment, not the developer environment. That means this flexibility is available to end users without requiring any changes on your part. Flexa Table takes your data and turns it into a truly interactive experience. Let's dive in and see it in action. Now, we're starting with a simple financial data set focused on profit analysis. We have key date fields like sales date, month, and year. I've converted month and year into a standard date format, so they'll work perfectly in the variance calculations I'll show you in the Calculate Variance video coming up. The data set also includes region, state, and city to show where the profit was generated. We have product category, brand, and product details, along with store number to identify different locations. And finally, the sum of P&L column represents the total profit for each transaction. This setup makes it easy to analyze financial trends over time and across different locations. Back to Flexa Tables. Check this out for report creators. In the Visualizations pane, there are rows, columns, values, and my favorite, the column configurator. Need to keep some fields hidden but still functional? Just drag and drop them here. Then, publish your report. After you publish, users see a clean, organized table. But here's the game changer. Unlike static Power BI Matrix Tables, Flexa Tables lets users create their own custom views. With just a click on the Pivot Table button, they can rearrange everything, just like in Excel. Rows can become columns, columns can become rows. It's completely up to them. Super flexible. That's it. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.